I would say value generation and our approach to value generation, it applies not just to generative AI problems, but it applies to all AI problems. And what we're really seeing is the smartest companies are using AI, and specifically generative AI, to create competitive advantage. What you see here on the slide are 4 building blocks. Oftentimes the entry point to using AI is for operational efficiency. The challenge when you start to think about generative AI is it can be very expensive to implement, and not just to build, but also to run. And so sometimes operational efficiency use cases are not enough from a return on investment to pay for the implementation and the run costs of a generative AI solution. But when you start moving up that value curve and you're creating potentially net new revenue opportunities, or you're driving increased customer engagement, and then the pièce de résistance, of course, when you're driving competitive advantage, that's when the ROI is really there for generative AI.